So today's ship is a Celebrity Millennium ship, which is a part of Royal Caribbean Cruise Company. Celebrity has been associated with India and with Goa for the last 10 years. They have been sending different ships into India for a pretty long time. So today's ship is actually, they started a journey on 12th of November in Singapore. They did a Singapore port, then they did 2 ports in Malaysia, then 1 port in Thailand, 2 ports in Sri Lanka, and 3 ports in India. So 3 ports in India covering India, Cochin, Goa and Bombay. So the ship is carrying about 2,086 passengers. Most of the passengers are British nationals and US nationals. They have about 900 odd crew members. Okay. The ship is actually going to be sailing back in the afternoon, a little late afternoon, and again further going to Bombay. The ship is doing a turnaround in Bombay. Turnaround means a change of passengers. A new set of passengers are going to be boarding in Bombay, and then again they are starting the journey in a reverse direction. Again the ship is calling Goa with again another set of 2,000 passengers on the 27th. So Goa is becoming quite an interesting port for most of the cruise liners now, yeah, because the experiences are quite diverse and different from most of the different ports.
शिप आई है इस सीज़न की। पहले मेरा अपना नाम बता दूं, मेरा नाम इशरत आलम है। मैं असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर हूं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टूरिज़्म की गोवा ऑफिस में। और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि जो इस सीज़न की पहली शिप आई है सेलिब्रिटी मिलेनियम वेलेटा, और ये हमारे देश में सेकंड डेस्टिनेशन है। ये अभी कोचीन से आ रही है और इस शिप ने करीबन 2,200 इंटरनेशनल पैसेंजर और उतनी ही मतलब 900 के आसपास क्रू को लेकर गोवा आई है। तो हम ये बताना चाहेंगे कि गोवा का भी एक अपना महत्व है और गोवा के सी, सन एंड सैंड की जो खासियत है उसको एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए वो अभी अगले कुछ दिनों तक गोवा को घूमेंगे। गोवा में अलग अलग जगहों पे जाएंगे, जिससे ना सिर्फ गोवा का नाम आगे आएगा, इसकी टूरिज़्म इकोनॉमी सबको बल मिलेगा और इनडायरेक्टली हमारे देश का फ़ायदा होगा, जो कि हमारे देश में एक फॉरेन करेंसी ला रहे हैं। तो ये हम चाहते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस तरीके की क्रूजेज़ आएँ और देश का पर्यटन के मामले में भला होता रहे।
This is Celebrity Millennium, the first call of this season, and we are very happy that we have been able to handle cruise vessels at our port. This vessel has come from Cochin and it has got almost around 2,000 plus passengers. So as you have seen, these passengers were welcomed by the traditional welcome given by the government of Goa, and government of Goa has been very supportive. They have been doing this for last almost a decade, and this has become a signature of Goa. So, and we are getting feedback from the passengers also, because they themselves come and enjoy this welcome. Now this vessel is scheduled to depart by 1500 hours. Goa is always a port of call, so basically they will come, they will spend almost around 3-4 hours in Goa. They will do the shore excursion and then they will. So we always try to see that they get a very good experience in Goa. And government of Goa has been very supportive. They have a lot of infrastructures created, not only in the port region but also in the state of Goa. There are almost 12 ships calls after this, and we are hopeful sometimes they get added. We have been handling almost around 40 to 50 international cruise vessels in this port, but due to the Red Sea issue, the cruise calls has dropped down. But then we are not disappointed about it, because once the issues get resolved, we are going to handle more ships, all the more because Goa is known internationally as the best tourist destination.